All right, so now I have introduced you to forms, created the form, changed the theme. Now it's actually time to figure out different questions to ask and to see what that looks like. So if I go to the actual form that I have, and right now I don't have anything there, I go to edit this form. And when I'm here, I can now change a couple of things. First of all, I can call it, form description, quick tutorial, I'll say. And then if I want to change a question and put it here, I could say, what is your favorite color? And now I can put help text here. I could say, be honest. And now I could change a couple different formats. I could either make it multiple choice. I could do a text. I could do a paragraph text. I could do checkboxes. I could choose from a list, scale, grid, date, time. So there's lots of different things I could do here for asking an actual question. So I'll say, what is your favorite color? And let's figure out what the difference is between multiple choice and checkbox. So multiple choice, I'll say red, blue, green. So that's multiple choice. What I could do after I've created this one is I can duplicate this question. So I'll duplicate it. Here we go. So I have the exact same question. I just press this button right in the middle. It says duplicate. And once I've done this, let's change this one to checkbox. So I have one that's multiple choice and one that is actual checkboxes. And let's try one more duplication. And this time, let's say choose from a list and see what the difference is between all of these. So I'll require this question as well. Hit done. And now I have 3 different questions. And we have to figure out what the difference is between them. So let's go to view live form to see what it'll look like for the person actually taking this. If I look here, what is your favorite color? I can only choose one. That's multiple choice. So that's what that one means. What is your favorite color? I could actually choose more than one. I could choose all 3 if I'd like. So if you want to actually do this kind of checkbox, you might get more than one answer, but this is really good for taking surveys and such. What is your favorite color? And then I have this way. This appears to be a very similar one to multiple choice. It's just now instead of having a check on each one, I have a drop down. So those are the 3 different methods that I could have. So I'll submit this test and it says your response has been recorded. Now let's say I want this to be different. I don't want to say your response has been recorded. If I go back to my actual test, and I can do this a couple different ways. I can either go back and submit another response here and click on the edit form and it'll take me back. Or what I could have done is I could go to I could actually look up the file. So go to test 1 and go to this is another way to get to the exact same thing. So there's 2 or 3 ways to get back at all times. This part right here, your response has been recorded. Maybe I want to say our favorite color is the same. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do there. So let's see what this will look like. If I go through here, enter up my submit it, it will now say our favorite color is the same, you rock. So another form, and I could go back and change some more in terms of this form. Now if I want to see what the responses look like, I can go up to this right here where I change the theme. Just to the right of it is view responses. If I view responses, I go to my spreadsheet which is associated with this form, and I can automatically see what has been answered so far.